Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kashmiri restaurant style chicken kanti. Kashmiri chicken kanti is very famous in Kashmiri restaurants and you will find it in every Kashmiri restaurant. And its each bite is a melange of hot, tangy and flavorsome taste. It leaves an unforgettable taste in our mouth. So let's get started. For making this, I have taken around 500 grams of boneless chicken and I have made pieces like this, as you can see here. Then I have taken 2 tablespoons of curd, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi or dry fenugreek leaves, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, or you can adjust according to your taste, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Garam masala is optional, you can skip it. Then 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and green chilies that I have slit, you can see diagonally, and 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, and oil I have taken around half a cup, will be needed for frying the chicken later and for making salad. Food color, I have taken around a pinch of food color. This is optional, you can skip it, or if you have good red color chilies you can skip food color at all. Now I am going to marinate chicken. For that I have mixed curd and red chili powder, salt, fennel seed powder, cumin seeds, black pepper powder, coriander powder, garam masala, kasuri methi and vinegar. We have to mix it properly, and here also we'll be adding food color too for marination, and we will keep it for marination for around 2 to 3 hours. Minimum we'll keep it for 2 hours. So here you can see we'll mix it properly. I'll cover it and keep it aside. So minimum for 2 to 3 hours we have to keep it, or you can keep more. It depends on you how much time you have. So I'll cover it and keep it aside. Now going to salad. And for making salad I have taken 3 onions. I have sliced them thinly. You can take onions other way also, you can make round shapes also. That depends on you how you want salad to be. I have taken some extra good amount of onions. I really like the salad because salad is equally tasty in kanti. Here you can see. And you have to slice them thinly. And then I have taken capsicum or bell pepper. I have used 1. It's optional, if you want you can skip it, and I have sliced it. And then tomatoes. Here you can see how I have sliced tomatoes. Then the other things include, I have taken 1 tablespoon of vinegar, or you can use lemon juice if you don't have vinegar. Then 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi or dry fenugreek leaves, 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, salt, 1 teaspoon or according to your taste, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. So for taking out extra moisture from onions, I have sprinkled some salt on them. I'll rub them and keep it aside for around 20 minutes, and then I'll be using them for making salad. This is an optional step, you can skip it. In 20 minutes I'll squeeze out the extra water from onions, then I'll be using them for marination of salad. For that, in a mixing bowl I have taken onions, red chili powder, cumin seeds, kasuri methi. We'll mix all of them, and we'll be adding capsicum and tomatoes also here. You can see I have mixed all the spices, and vinegar also we have to add. And you can use lemon juice if you don't have vinegar. And green chilies also. You can add more chilies also if you want it to be spicy. And trust me, this salad tastes so good. So we'll mix it and we'll keep it for marination for around 2 hours or more. So minimum 2 hours we have to keep this also for marination. So here you can see after 4 hours I'm checking on chicken, and meanwhile I have heated up the oil. So I'll be frying these chicken pieces, we'll be adding them one by one. So here you can see like this, we'll fry them. We have to deep fry them. Here I have kept medium to high flame. To fry all the pieces on both the sides, here you can see, and we'll fry them in batch so we don't have to overcrowd the pan. So like this we have to fry all the chicken. Now I have fried all the chicken, and then I have taken around 1 tablespoon of oil. I have heated it up and I'm adding that salad that we had marinated after 2 hours of marinating salad. And we have to keep high flame, and I'm adding green coriander. We have to saute it on high flame or else it will turn soft. The crunchier the salad is, the tastier Kanti turns, and it depends on you also. If you want it slightly soft, you can keep it on low flame and fry it or saute it. So here you can see I have kept it on high flame and I'll saute it for around 5 minutes. You can see it's sauteed properly. Now I'll be adding fried chicken to it. We'll give it a good mix, and for around 5 minutes we'll keep it on low flame with cover. This way the chicken will also get the taste of salad. So I'll cover it. I'm not adding any water. You can add a tablespoon of water if you want the salad to be slightly softer. So I'm not adding any water for 5 minutes. I'll keep it on low flame, then it's ready to be served. So here you can see it's ready to be served. It's served hot with naan. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.